Hello everyone, welcome to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to log out from YouTube. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your YouTube app. Here we go. You're gonna land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you can find your profile icon. Tap on it. You can see the option of manage your Google account. Tap on it. You will land to your Google settings. Now tap on the option personal info, and at the top right corner, you will find your profile icon. Tap on it. Tap on the option of manage accounts on this device. Scroll down, you can see the option of Google. Open it. Now here at the bottom you can see the option of more. Tap on it. Tap on the option of remove account. Tap on remove account. Now you can go back, and here you can see that I just got logged out from my YouTube. So this is how you can easily log out from your YouTube. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.